U.S. stocks and global gold prices plunged, while crude oil futures surged after U.S. President Donald Trump announced a naval blockade in the Strait of Hormuz on Sunday. Trump said in a post on Truth Social that the U.S. Navy will begin blocking ships attempting to enter or exit the Strait of Hormuz, after peace negotiations with Iran failed to reach an agreement. Vice President J.D. Vance returned to the United States on Sunday, April 12, after leading the U.S. delegation in marathon talks with Iran. They failed to reach an agreement to end the war, jeopardizing a fragile two-week ceasefire. U.S. stock markets reacted sharply to the announcement, with Dow Jones Industrial Average, S&P 500, and Nasdaq Composite Index futures falling by more than 1%. Meanwhile, global gold prices also declined. June gold futures on the New York Mercantile Exchange fell below $4,700 per ounce, with losses at one point exceeding 2%. In contrast, oil prices rose significantly. At 6:50 a.m. Beijing time on Monday, West Texas Intermediate crude futures for May delivery surged 8.13% and closed at $104.42 per barrel on the New York Mercantile Exchange. Brent crude futures for June delivery increased 7.52% and closed at $102.36 per barrel on the London ICE Futures Exchange. U.S. media reported that the failure of the Iran-U.S. peace negotiations has raised concerns in the markets. As the war could last longer than expected, which will further drive up oil prices and put greater pressure on the global economy. A U.S. official said Iran had rejected Washington's call to end all uranium enrichment, dismantle all major enrichment facilities, and transfer highly enriched uranium. The two sides also failed to reach an agreement on U.S. demands for Iran to stop funding Hamas, Hezbollah, and the Houthis and to fully reopen the strait, the official added.